Welcome back. Today we are going to be creating a geolocation routing policy. So let's have a look at what Amazon says about geolocation. Okay, per the documentation here, it says geolocation routing policy used when you want to route traffic based on the location of your users. You can use geolocation routing to create records in a private hosted zone. So in essence, what this is going to do is decrease the latency between the resources and the client or end user, because they're accessing resources that are closer to them geographically. So, all right. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump in here. So if you've seen the previous videos, you know, we're logged into Route 53 here. I actually need to check to make sure that we have EC2 running as well. Okay. So this is have 2. Alright, so I'll turn these off after each recording because I'm running these on my own dime. But we'll give those a minute to fire up. It shouldn't take a couple minutes. Alright, so while it's doing that, we'll come over here and go to create record. Again, we want to do geolocation. Okay, select next. Okay, we can leave that blank. So leave the default configuration as is. Alright, next, and this is going to be choose a endpoint. It's going to be our IP address. And let's come back over here. Alright, so we want the primary web. So we get the IP address for that guy. Copy. And then paste it here. Okay, and then we want to choose location. So this has the continents, countries, and if we scroll all the way down here to the bottom, we'll see that it has the United States, and then we can actually go to our hosted region. So I believe we're in US East 1, so I selected Virginia, and then I had a health check record created, which is still misspelled because I didn't go back and redo that. And then so US East 1, and then hit define location, define geolocation record. Okay, all that looks good. And then create record. So it's just that simple. To reiterate, we use geolocation routing when we want to route traffic based on the location of our users. So that would be the source of the requests coming into our AWS services. So once again, thank you for watching.